we go. Hey guys, Scott here again, hitting low tide, Sunday. Set down my detector, didn't even step a foot, and I got a 1245 on the CTX 3030. Pulled out the scoop. There's something right there. What was that? Okay. Saw that gold car is freaking for a second, but yeah, it's a little drawer pull probably. I'll take that. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe out there. You guys see what I see? Look at that. It was screaming at me too right there. See the cross? You know what that is. Old Swiss knife. I'll clean that up. Put that in the box. Cleaning up with earth too. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey guys, Scott here. You got Seattle, the Emerald City behind me. Me and the boys are out. It's a gorgeous summer day and just hitting this low tide. Found, actually Gavin found this old piece of blue pottery. We love this stuff. It's so historic and I wish it could talk to us. And then right here, if you look down, nice old little glass bottle right there with the top. So we love this stuff. Hope you guys do too. Hope you're being safe. We'll get through all of this together. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey guys, it's me, Gavin, on my dad's channel, and I found this thing right here, and it looks like a fishing lure.
Buzz bomb.
So I know it is a fishing lure, but
That's called a buzz bomb, buddy. Good job.
it's pretty.
Fist pump. Bear with me. I'm gonna try a live dig. I got 1143 on the CTX 3030. And what we got right now? It's like a shell or something. Oh, that's it. Hey guys, got another iffy signal right here. Don't know if the sun's blinding you or not. There it is. It's a little fishing lure. Alright, we'll take that. Thanks for watching. Here's another one. What the hell? Yeah. I know what that is. It's another knife. You can see the top right here. Needs to be cleaned up. That's weird. Two knives. That thing's kind of toast, but yeah, maybe we can clean that up and use it. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey guys, Guy here practicing my social distancing. As you can see, there's no one around. First coin here, Doug. A little weedy.
Slowly coming back.
Worn out pretty good. That's a weedy. We'll take that. Hope you guys are safe. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we're going to do a live dig. Gavin's got a signal here. Really low tide today. It's nice. Keeping our distance away from people. What you get, buddy?
I don't know.
Hey guys, start calling this place Buzz Bomb Beach because it's number 4 for the day. So we never need these if we go fishing. Find these off quite a bit. Number 4. Thanks for watching. Hitting the beach again. Gorgeous day out here. Super low tide. Got my first signal right there. A big old, what the hell? That thing's heavy. Look at that. It's a nice old fishing lure. Keep that and throw it in the tackle box. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Scott here, hitting the beach. First signal. Well, I already got a stinking Lincoln, and this little thing came out. Not sure what it is. Yeah, so we'll keep going and let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, just pulled this thing out. Got some age to it, I think. I don't know. I want to say I know what it is, but it's not on the top of my head right now, so kind of cool. Unbend that and see if we can clean it up, use it for something. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, Tom out here with Emerald City Diggers. Hey, check this out. Just dug up this gun. I don't know if it's real or not. I mean, it sure feels real. It's heavy. I mean, that's old. Holy crap. Yeah, I'll see if I can get anything else off of it when I get it back home, but heck yeah, check that out. Show you if I get anything else.
Hey everyone, Scott here, out detecting with Gavin and Mason. Got me a little signal here. I'm not sure what that is. It's got, oh crud, you know what that might be? That might be part of a thimble. Hold on. You guys tell me. The dots on it make it look like a thimble, and I've never ever found a thimble, so hopefully that's a thimble, or what's left of a thimble. Alright, thanks for watching. Well, looks like my luck was about to change. Check this out. Hey guys, Scott here. Got Mason.
Hi.
Gavin. And beautiful Seattle weather day.
And I found a pottery.
Nice piece of pottery.
Me too.
Some old pottery. We're coming around, and I said like 5 minutes ago, it's like, I wish I found like a token or something, but look what we just got right here.
Will you pull up? Okay.
Look at that big boy. It's got writing on it.
Everything.
This thing's huge. I've never found anything this big before. There we go. It says something 50th anniversary. That is a sweet old find here. Love it. It's a gorgeous day. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Emerald City Diggers. What do we say?